Hello guys and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we have some new Matchbox cars to be opening up today, and we got a bunch of Teslas here from my collection. So we have a Tesla Roadster. This is a 2021 Matchbox release, and then we have three 2022 Tesla Hot Wheels releases, or Matchbox releases rather. So we got two Model X's, these are both 2022s, and then this 2022, this is a Tesla Model Y based off a 2020 Tesla Model Y. So, from 2021, we have Tesla Roadster number 4 of 100. Matte red, kind of like a brick red, or dark red. Hot Wheels Showroom, or Matchbox Showroom. Keep calling them Hot Wheels. For some reason, I'm always used to opening Hot Wheels on this channel, but here we go. Number 4 of 100. GVX 33. And pretty cool. I got this at a Dollar General. And it's an awesome Tesla here. Pretty nice. I don't have too many Tesla cars, but we got one right here. Gray plastic base. Nice dark 10-spoke wheels. Like that color. And nice details on that right there. Nice electric vehicles. And take a nice look at that right there. Beautiful painted details on the front. Split 10-spoke wheels. There's a dark chrome color on those. And then there's the back of this Tesla Roadster right here. Let's see, we got some Model X's here. Somehow, these are both from 2022, and sometimes they'll do this. They'll take the same casting, put it in the same year mainline, but just put a different color on it. Now, Hot Wheels doesn't do that. They use the same number for recolors, but this time, Matchbox decided to do a different number for recolors. So both from 2022. This is in metallic blue. This one is in white. The blue one's number 53. The white one's number 59. Different packaging designs there. I looked these up to see if these were, by any chance, one of these was a 2023, but unfortunately we haven't gotten the 2023s yet. And I'm not too familiar with the new Matchbox cars, so metallic blue came first. Tesla Model X, in my opinion, the best looking Tesla so far, as far as looks go, but let's get it open. The protector there, we'll have to get this off the card back. These are quite realistic. I do love these Matchbox cars. These are very realistic cars. Very nice looking. Maybe different wheels would look better on these, but look at that detail. Metallic blue, beautiful color. Black interior. And you can see all the inside there. And yeah, very sleek design, nice looking vehicles. There's the base, Tesla Model X. Alright, and then we have the Roadster up here. Then we got the other Tesla Model X in white. Probably a more realistic color on it. Let's see. Get this one cracked open. There we go, gray wheels on this one. What do we have for wheels? Gray on that one as well. So more gray wheels, same base. And these are both of the colors that exist so far for this casting. Whoa, look at that color. It is kind of a pearlescent white. Same plastic base. Nice looking vehicle. Zero emissions. All of these cars have the zero emissions license plate on the back. That has to do with it being an electric car, no fuel emissions. Very nice looking cars. Personally, I probably wouldn't buy these in real life. Like to have a big carbon footprint. Here we go. Tesla Model Y 2022 Hot Wheels. Matchbox Tesla. Again with the Hot Wheels terminology. Tesla Model Y. This is a little bit of a different package design. That's why I was skeptical if it was a 2023. But it says metal on the side. The other packages don't. Adventures World Tour. Pretty cool. Let's get it open. Some of these have a 2021 copyright and some of these have a 2022 copyright, but that actually defines the actual year that they were made. Some of these 2022 releases were made in 2021. So yeah, Tesla Model Y, bigger car here. Ooh, this one's probably the most realistic out of all of them. This one has red, a nice bright red, plastic base, and then silver 10 spokes, split 10 spokes. These all roll pretty nice. Nice little line of Teslas we got here. Take a nice look. Just gonna give you a nice shot of this Tesla right here. Very nice looking car. Dual motor. These have dual motors. These are very nice Teslas to add to the collection. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.